Eraswap token is subject to market risk. Read Eraswap white paper, terms and conditions, and roadmap before participating.
Time Swappers is a middleman-free peer-to-peer global marketplace for freelancers, where freelancers and clients can connect and exchange services in the form of tokenized time. Users here don't have to worry about extra multi-layer intermediate charges or non-fulfillment of payment, since there won't be any traditional contract but smart contract between buyer and seller. Benefits of Time Swappers. As there are no multiple intermediaries, there could be huge savings on middleman fees. Transparency by creating direct communication between the buyers and sellers. The value generated can be redistributed among the blockchain ecosystem stakeholders. Blockchain-driven smart contract for transparent transactions. Unmanipulated reviews, rewards, and transparent dispute settlement. Decreasing the cost of buyers and increasing savings of sellers. Equal treatment to every subscriber and user in the system. Let's learn how to use Time Swappers. How to log into Time Swappers. Step 1, click on the Connect to Wallet button, and choose by Eraswap Life. Step 2, you'll be redirected to Eraswap Life, click on Load Wallet, choose anyone, key store file / access through mnemonic / private key. If you don't have Eraswap Wallet, you can create it. Step 3, there are 3 ways to load your Eraswap wallet if accessing through key store file. Then, choose the key store file, enter the password, click on Load Wallet if accessing through private key, then, enter your private key, click on Access Wallet if accessing the mnemonics, then, enter your mnemonics, click on Access My Wallet. After logging in successfully, you will be redirected to Time Swappers. How to become a freelancer on Time Swappers. Step 1, first complete your KYC process on KYC DApp platform. Step 2, click on Profile under Profile icon. Step 3, complete filling all the basic details along with your portfolio, education, experience, social media links. Step 4, check whether you want to offer promotional incentive or not. If yes, do mention the percentage of promotional incentive. Promotional incentives can be offered by the sellers, freelancers for Eraswap users, community members. The promoter can announce an additional percentage reward to Eraswap users for promoting and marketing their services, products. Step 5, click on Save. Step 6, browse projects, freelance work and start working, start earning. Do not forget to reach out people once listed. Please note that Time Swappers is a decentralized freelancing marketplace and it do not collect customers' data to reach them. You should share your freelancing or job provider profile on your own so that interested people use their ES to do business with you. You can also do the marketing on a decentralized social network, Swappers Wall, or you can offer promotional incentives to Eraswap community to promote your listed asset. How to become a service provider on Time Swappers. Step 1, first complete your KYC process on KYC DApp. Step 2, click on Profile under Profile icon. Step 3, go to Services tab. Step 4, update all the required details of your services, along with logo. Step 5, check this box and click on Submit. How to search job on Time Swappers. Step 1, go to Time Swappers homepage. Step 2, click on Search Job. Step 3, Categories, Subcategories, and search what you are looking for more specifically, View Project, and Apply. How to post your job / requirement as a buyers. Step 1, first complete your KYC process on KYC DApp. Step 2, click on Profile under Profile icon. Step 3, update your profile, with basic information. Step 4, click on Projects. You can also go to this page, from Time Swappers homepage by clicking on Post Job button. Step 5, click on Post your requirements. Step 6, fill all your requirements from project name to payment type. Also, fill the description box, to offer freelancers complete details. How to become a certified seller on TimeSwappers. Step 1. First complete your KYC process on KYC DApp. Step 2. Click on Profile under Profile icon. Step 3. Click on Become a Certified Seller. Step 4. Make sure you have 525 ES in your wallet to complete the certification process. Step 5. Fill all the mandatory details and click on Submit. How to transfer Eraswap in your wallet. Step 1. Click on My Wallet under Profile icon. Step 2. Here you can withdraw or deposit ES in your wallet. Step 3. To deposit, click on Deposit ES button. Step 4. First send ES to the mentioned address, using any wallet, MyWallet, MetaMask, etc., and paste your transaction hash below and submit. Step 5. To withdraw, click on Withdraw ES. Step 6. Enter the amount of ES you want to withdraw and click on Withdraw. How to post deals on TimeSwappers. Step 1. Click on Profile under Profile icon. Step 2. Go to Ad Manager tab. Step 3. On Ad Manager, you can manage your deals and ads. Click on Post Deal. Step 4. Fill all the mandatory details to post your deal. Step 5. Check this box and click on the Posting Deals button. How to post ADS on TimeSwappers. Step 1. Click on Profile under Profile icon. Step 2. Go to Ad Manager tab. Step 3. On Ad Manager, you can manage your deals and ads. Click on Post Ads. Step 4. Fill all the mandatory details to post your ads. Step 5. Upload your ad. Sample for ad sizes are available here on top. Step 6. Check this box and click on the Post Ads. How to offer promotional incentives. Promotional incentives can be offered by the sellers, freelancers for Eraswap users, community members. The promoter can announce an additional percentage reward to Eraswap users for promoting and marketing their services, products. Step 1. Click on Profile under Profile icon. Step 2. Scroll down. Step 3. Activate your promotional incentives under Promotional Incentive Offered. Step 4. Mention down the percentage of promotional incentive. Step 5. Click on Save. Transactions on TimeSwappers. Step 1. Click on Profile under Profile icon. Step 2. Go to Transactions. Step 3. Here you can view all your transactions on TimeSwappers. Step 4. Click on Show My Wallet to view wallet transactions as well deposit and withdraw ES. TimeSwappers dashboard. Step 1. Click on Profile under Profile icon. Step 2. Go to My Dashboard. Step 3. Here you can find your referral code and direct link for registration in your team. Step 4. Get all your stats in one place. Step 5. Liquid or claim your Swappers Wall Power tokens here. Step 6. Liquid or claim your Day Swappers reward stakes and direct incentives. How to check my reviews. Step 1. Click on Profile under Profile icon. Step 2. Go to Reviews. Step 3. Here you can view the reviews on your projects/services/ and your skills. How to deposit on Swappers Wall. Step 1. Go to My Profile on TimeSwappers. Step 2. Go to My Wallet. Here you can check in and out deposit and withdrawal history from TimeSwappers as well Swappers Wall platforms. Power tokens are allocated to one lifetime's stakers to donate power rewards to Swappers Wall community and cannot be consumed by yourself. Allocated power tokens can be donated to maximum 1% or less to each community member in a month. You can share your power tokens to any number of community members but not more than 1% to one member. Power tokens allocated for the month to one LT stakers must be to be donated within the NRT month. Unspent power tokens of every month will be burned at the last day of NRT month with no carry forward. Next NRT month new power tokens will be issued to one LT stakers of the month. There is no timeline to withdraw power tokens received from peers or other community members and can be withdrawn anytime. Go through next steps carefully and use TimeSwapper's wallet. Step 3, click on Deposit under my wallet. Step 4, copy this wallet address. Step 5, go to https://www.eraswap.life. Step 6, scroll down and click on Send, enter the copied address with amount, and click on Sign and send native ES. Step 7, copy your transaction hash from pop-up. Step 8, go back to TimeSwappers and paste it in this box and click on Submit to complete the deposit. How to withdraw on Swappers Wall. Step 1, go to my profile on TimeSwappers. Step 2, click on Withdraw under my wallet. Step 3, enter the amount. You can only enter minimum of 250 ES. To view the detail of your withdraw and deposit transactions, click on View My Transactions under Wallet, or you can also check transaction page of Swappers Wall. How to claim liquid power tokens received from peers. Step 1, go to my profile on TimeSwappers. Step 2, connect your wallet and go to Dashboard. Step 3, click on Claim under Liquid Power Tokens. Step 4, under Claim Type select only liquid, don't send stakes because it will then entirely go to stakes on left side, so select Claim to Wallet. Step 5, go to My Wallet to confirm the balance. If you are an old user and have already received old stakings from Swappers Wall, then you can click on Transfer to Stakes and then claim from left side. How to withdraw stakes. Step 1, go to my profile on TimeSwappers. Steps 2, go to Dashboard. Step 3, click on Claim and select Claim to Stakes. Step 4, visit DaySwapper's website and go to DaySwapper's dashboard. Here you can see the amount is increase in staking incentive. Click on Show All to view in detail. How to withdraw stakes to TimeSwappers, Swappers Wall wallet. Step 1, go to my profile on TimeSwappers. Step 2, go to Dashboard. Step 3, click on Transfer Stakes. Step 4, click on Transfer Stakes and click on Claim. Rewards are always came into two parts, minus 50% stakes and 50% liquid. In left bucket you receive original stakes and liquid in right bucket. Step 5, now click on Claim on the left side and confirm claiming. To check, go to DaySwapper's dashboard. DaySwappers. Here you can see, to see the detail click on Show All. How to raise dispute. Before raising any dispute, note that buyers and sellers are advised to resolve disputes by mutual discussions. You may use the Swappers Wall chat function for effective communication. TimeSwappers and all applications of the Eraswap ecosystem are middlemen free, and platforms here don't make any profits when the community uses these applications. Eraswap community allows buyers and sellers to exchange their contact numbers and write an email to each other without any restrictions. If dispute intervention is inevitable, then only raise a dispute. TimeSwapper's platform will not be responsible in case the jury decision is not favorable for whatsoever reason. Simply ping to admin on Eraswap Telegram channel https://t.me/Eraswap or write to info@eraswapfoundation.com to expedite your dispute resolution. Read terms and conditions properly. Step 1, go to Profile. Step 2, go to Projects. Step 3, go to Active Projects and click on Manage Projects. Step 4, click on Raise Dispute against the person you want to raise the dispute. Step 5, enter the subject and description of your dispute, upload attachment, and click on Submit. Once you raise the dispute, the amount will be locked until the transaction resolves. If you want to raise a dispute on a service provider, go to Services tab here. Click on Booked Services and click on Raise Dispute. Enter the subject and description of your dispute, upload attachment, and click on Submit. How to see the status of disputes. Step 1, go to Profile. Step 2, click on Disputes. Step 3, click on View Details. Here you can see in status that if it is resolved or in progress, you can also provide the attachments form here if needed. Blockchain-based middleman-free freelancing platform for job seekers and job providers to connect and transact directly in a peer-to-peer mode.